everyone, this is me. Today I will show you some different sizes of the radios. This is 9 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, and 13 inches. Different sizes but can be installed and restored one-to-one and compatible for 95% of the car models. Let you realize the transition from small screen to larger screen and improve the excellent experience, giving you more choices. Now let's perform installation restore one-to-one. 9 inches. 10 inches. 12 inches. 9 inches, perfect fit, one-to-one installation restore. 10 inches, perfect fit, one-to-one installation restore. Thirteen inches. 9 inches, perfect fit, one-to-one installation restore. 10 inches, perfect fit, one-to-one installation restore. Looking forward to cooperating with you and providing with you satisfactory product.